Hey, this is Danny. I'm with HVAC Technical Academy here in off of Lake Mary Boulevard, and today I'm going to explain the purpose, use, and ways to detect malfunctioning capacitors on an AC unit. I prefer specifically a condenser unit. So basically, here we have a condenser. We have the capacitor that's located right here next to the contactor. And this particular capacitor has a rating of 80 on the compressor side, 7.5 on the fan side. Um, and it gives you a 5% plus or minus range, so that gives you a little leverage on the actual capacitance on it. Ways to find or detect damaged capacitors can be bulging in the capacitor, capacitor leakage, um, or cracks. If you see cracks in the capacitor, that means it's not good. It can cause a problem with your AC functioning properly. Um, so basically, a capacitor really just stores energy for quick start. Um, it could act as a temporary power source. Um, it smooths out functions and in voltage and in current. So that's just basic functions of it, the purpose of it. We're going to go ahead and test the capacitor real quick here to see if we have a good one here. And by doing that, okay, so on the capacitor, you have a two-prong, three-prong, four-prong. Okay, this is a dual capacitor. Okay, so basically the four-prong is the common port. That's the one that goes to the contactor. The three-prong is your HERM, and that's the one that goes directly to the compressor. Your two prong goes to your fan blower motor. So we're going to go ahead and test that. In order to test it, you would take the reading on the from microfarads. That's what it's based on, the readings, and you would put your multimeter. That's what I'm using to test it. So I have it on the microfarad meter setting, and I'm going to go first and test for the compressor portion of it. So I'm going to take my common port, and I'm going to take the reading on the HERM, and we're getting a 79.5 reading on that. So now to test for the fan, still use the common port, and then we're going to go ahead and test on the fan portion of it, the fan port, and we're getting a 7.37 reading. And that's pretty much well within the range of what's required for this capacitor to function. And that's pretty much it for the whole function and the reasons why it would go bad and so forth. So again, I'm Danny. I'm with HVAC Technical Academy here off Lake Mary Boulevard. And thank you for your time. And I hope this really helps to explain how the capacitor works and the purpose of it, and some things that could go wrong within your system. Thank you and have a great day.